What's up, team Fullest? This is again AMIFULLEST. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my canal. Good afternoon. So I had an appointment. I'm just coming back. If you guys want to know how I get this makeup look, follow me on my vlog on my beauty channel, which is AMIFULLEST Beauty. All the links will be down in the description box. I'll pin it for you guys in the comment box for some of you who want to see how I get this to look. So I had an appointment, but I'm back home. I'm just coming home. Yeah, up to now my bed is not here, so let's not even talk about this bed anymore, because these people, they have taught me to be patient. Since I don't have patience in my system, they have really taught me to be patient. So after my appointment, I don't have to cook today. Actually, you guys can see me there. I don't really have to cook today, so I don't want to see myself. Yeah, like this. I don't have to cook today. I already have cooked. I've already cooked. So I was coming home and I said, you know what, let me pass by the, let's do ongezond eten, okay? I thought, let me pass by the fruit shop. Yeah, close this thing. And let me just pass there and pick up one of my, this is the only thing I buy in the fruits, in the, where they sell the French fries, the fast food. This is the only fast food that I buy because I love this. This is the Kipsaté. I bought 3, but I'm not gonna eat all 3 because I have kids. Okay, if I didn't have kids, I would have eaten all 3 of them. But I do have kids. So let me show you. Okay, let me put this paper here because I don't want to mess up my trouser. Ooh, Kipsaté. Oh, I only buy this because of the sauce. This is the only thing I buy. This is a Kipsaté. It's so delicious, yeah. I don't know how they make the sauce, but the sauce is very delicious. Okay. I only buy this one. This is so good. This is the only ongezond food I eat, yeah. Okay. Before I sit down here and finish everything, because trust me, I can finish all of this, no joke. Tommy, kom maar binnen. Ik moet even afzetten en aan. En pak even een kleine woordenbakje. Woordenbord voor een van die meisjes. So what? Ja, eentje maar. Oh, these children. Because if I don't call them. Als je slaapt? Oh, oké, is goed. Maar ga niet wakker. Dan roep alleen maar Lia. Hier, een rood bakje. Ja, maar als je slaapt, dan hoeft het niet meer. Pak jij maar die?
Eet zo. Dankjewel.
Als je slaapt, dus dan hoeft die rode bakje niet meer.
Dat leg ik.
Nee. Hier. Jij mag eentje. Goed vasthouden, hè. Niet in mijn kamer gooien. En bijten. Wanneer ik jou roep, je moet de tablet even daar
zetten.
Ja. Niet op mijn jas. Even die kant op eerst. Echt waar. Je moet altijd de tablet achterlaten. Niet met de tablet meelopen.
Oké.
Uit mijn kamer. Oh, this daughter of mine. You will call her. She will be on the tablet. She will not put this thing down. The last time, that's the same thing she did. I finished the dinner. I gave her, I said, go and eat. She was holding the tablet. She was holding the dinner. She threw all the food on the floor. Everything on the floor. I was so pissed there. I was so pissed, but I couldn't do anything. And later, I gave her food again, and then after she finished it, she went to bed immediately because I was so pissed. I said, hey, as soon as you finish eating, go sleep. It was a weekend. I was like, go and sleep immediately. I don't want to see your face because then I have to clean. I'm seeing your face and I can't. I was so pissed. I'm like, I don't want to see your face. After you finish it, go to sleep. And she still haven't learned her lesson. She's still working with a tablet in the hand. So since my little girl is sleeping, I'm going to eat. I have eaten 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh god, this is, guys, I don't want to come and stay here and do, this is like a mukbang. Is that what they call mukbang? When you sit down, you eat, you talk. Mukbang. Oh, mukbang. This is a mukbang. Let's do mukbang together because I have nothing to talk about. I have nothing to do right now. It's just to eat. And maybe I'm going to do a video because since I'm home early for my appointment and the weather is raining, but there's still sunlight. I did bought some stuff from Zara. Maybe I'll do a video later, a Zara clothing haul on my beauty channel. But first, let me sit down and eat this, okay? So let's do a mukbang. What has been going on? Let's talk, yeah? What has been going on for me? The bed is still not here. I've changed certain stuff in the room. You guys have seen on my last video that I've changed. I removed the dresser that was here. I put it right there. Everything, but the bed is still not here. So yeah. Let's do a mukbang. Mukbang? That's how you call it? I love this food, yeah. I know for sure by the end of this April, the bed will come. That one for sure. I don't think I can do this mukbang thing because I'm not used to eating and talking at the same time. When I see this mukbang people, I really enjoy watching them eating and talking, but I just can't. But I was really pissed there. I almost removed the bed in that room to put it in this room. But then I was like, no, I just patient. I mean, just patient a little bit. I just told myself to patient and wait a little bit. So let's cross finger in April. The end of April, I will get my bed and I will finally move into this room and start sleeping here. One of my favorite street food. And oh, I got the sauce on my clothes. These trousers, I'm going to wash you. Wasn't planning to wash this pan, but I'm going to wash it. If you live in Holland, and you love Kipsaté, let me know in the comment box. Let me know, want for me, I love Kipsaté. I don't know why. I think the sauce is the sauce that I love the most. I bought all of this sauce that they sell in the store, but none of them taste like the one that they sell in the like the one they sell where you buy the Kipsaté. I bought the sauce in the store, but they don't taste like this ones. So, and the people there where I buy these things, they already know me. Anytime I go there, the band will be like, how many do you want? How many back do you want? Because we call this one back here. How many of this back here do you want? I'll be like, if the kids are in school and I'm all alone at home, I'll just buy one. But if the kids are home, I normally buy 3 and then we share, because one of these costs like almost €6 for one of these. So yeah, but it's something I like. I don't eat it every day. And sometimes it just comes, the feeling just comes, and I just want to eat it, and I go and buy it. The stick is so long. But anyway, guys, I'm not used to this mukbang thing. I don't think I can do mukbang. I can eat and talk at the same time. If you're an African, I think if you're an African, you grow in an African home. I think it's something my mom used to beat me for when I was little. Yeah? If I'm eating and I'm talking, or I'm eating, I'm watching somewhere, she would just go, be like, she would just do like this. Watch where you are eating. And not to talk about me eating and talking at the same time. She will kill me. So it's not something I'm used to. So that's why it's very hard for me to like having something in my mouth and be talking. So, you know, and I feel like I don't really enjoy my food when I'm eating and talking. Like the food is just finishing, but I'm not enjoying it. So you know what? Let me go and enjoy my food. This is just checking up on you guys. I know I don't even know what to title this video, but it's just checking up on you guys. Just want to show you guys my cute makeup look. I just want to check up on you guys, and I just want to tell you guys, thank you guys so much for your love and support. I really appreciate it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment box. Team Fullest, thank you guys so much. Heel erg bedankt voor jullie liefde en ondersteuning. En ik zie jullie zo snel mogelijk. Als je houdt van Kipsaté, laat me weten in de comment box. Want ik heb het gevoel dat ik ben niet de enige. Je hebt heel veel mensen die van die ding houden. Is niet echt 100% gezond, maar ja. Er zijn zoveel dingen niet gezond. Maar wij leven toch. Weet je, ik meng het wel. Ik doe 50% gezond. 10% ongezond. En dan, je weet toch, tussendoor. Maar je moet gewoon eten. Maar dit ding, ik vind het gewoon zo lekker. Maar ik kan echt niet eten en praten tegelijkertijd. Ik moet wel genieten van mijn eten. Dus we gaan deze video hier beëindigen. Dus dat ik even geniet nog van die 3 stuk die ik heb. Heel erg bedankt voor jullie liefde. En hoop ik jullie zo snel mogelijk te zien. Wil je weten hoe ik dit make-up heb gedaan? Volg mij op mijn beauty channel. Which is AMIFULLEST Beauty. En als je wil weten over haar en alles, volg mij op AMIFULLEST. Dat is mijn hoofdstuk kanaal. En dan heb je AMIFULLEST Beauty. En dan heb je AMIFULLEST Live Vlog. Nou, Team Fullest. Bye. Peace out. Doei. Ik ga weer verder. Ik ga gewoon weer verder. Dag.